Once upon a time, in the vibrant land of Booktopia, there lived a group of charming creatures called Booklings. Each Bookling wore a colorful cover and was filled with pages of stories, adventures, and knowledge. Booktopia was nestled in a magical forest, where the air hummed with the whispers of tales and the scent of fresh ink. In Booktopia, there was a wise elder named Grandpa Coverpage. He was the oldest Bookling, with thick glasses that helped him read the tiny letters printed within his pages. Grandpa Coverpage had seen many adventures, from scaling the tallest mountains to sailing the stormy seas, all through the stories he held. I have a special assignment for you, young Booklings. Grandpa Coverpage announced one sunny morning as his pages fluttered with excitement. Among the eager Booklings, there was Tiny Tail, an adventurous little Bookling with a red cover and a curious spirit. What will it be, Grandpa? Finitale, chirped enthusiastically. We need to find a lost story of the Bookling Kingdom, Grandpa Coverpage said, adjusting his spectacles. It's a tale that holds the secret to our history, and it must be found before the Harvest Festival. With twinkling eyes, Tiny Tail assembled a team of fellow Booklings. Scribble, the creative painter with pages filled with vibrant illustrations. Chapter, the logical thinker who always kept things organized. And Wordy, who loved collecting new words to expand his vocabulary. The Booklings set out on their adventure, flipping through the enchanting pages of Booktopia. They crossed the river of rhymes, passed through the cave of cliches, and climbed the mountain of metaphors. At each step, they encountered challenges. At the river of rhymes, they had to solve a riddle. At the cave of cliches, they had to avoid repeating familiar phrases. And up the mountain, they found inspirational quotes etched on rocks by wise Booklings of the past. Finally, they arrived at the Library of Legends, where the lost story was rumored to be hidden. Tiny Tail spotted an ancient, dusty tome tucked away on the highest shelf. With Scribble's colorful illustrations lighting the way, Chapter's keen organization, and Wordy's expanding vocabulary echoing in encouragement, Tiny Tail managed to reach the tome. With great care, they opened it, revealing the lost story of the Bookling Kingdom. Pages unfolded to describe the history, courage, and friendship that bound Booktopia together. Upon their return, Grandpa Coverpage beamed with pride. "You've done well, my dear Booklings," he said, his pages fluttering joyfully. As the Harvest Festival began, the Booklings shared the wondrous story with all of Booktopia, ensuring their community's magic continued for generations to come. And thus, Tiny Tail and his friends knew that every book held a world of wonders and was cherished in the heart of Booktopia forever.